demonstration of speed, precision, teamwork, representing the Royal Air Force of Aerobatic British, the 2026 Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team, the Red Arrows. As the team sweep past, the first part of the show is designed to demonstrate the aircraft flying as one. The team pilots are listening to the cadence of the boss's commands. As they reverse to the left, on the left-hand side is Lieutenant Andy McEwen. He's a former F-35 stealth fighter pilot from RAF, and he's also been exchanged with the US Marine Corps flying the Aviate-B Harrier II. As the boss calls Concorde go, the wings slide backwards in a cadence honed over winter training. The wings are now 180 feet away from the boss, and as they roll out, you'll note the iconic nod of the shape to Concorde. All the changes in aerodynamic loads and G-forces need to be managed, making smooth controlled display. Coordinated rolls around the formation. Keep watching for the colour change as the team come round to the right. Splits in front, out to the left hand side is reds 1, 2 and 3. Out to the right, red 4, 5, 6 and 7, led by Flight Lieutenant George Hobday, red 6. George is in his first year as the Synchro leader, and he's responsible for looking after the training for the Synchro section and Hannah. As they set up for the first head-to-head pass of the show, this is all done visually judged using ground features and matched flying. Ladies and gentlemen, get your cameras ready for the 3-4 cross. Not only is he flying those barrel rolls and working the aircraft hard, he's also having to change smoke at the same time. If you look out to the front, you should see the 4 aircraft. setup for Hannah Pass. To the show. Two, 3 and 5. Reds 2 and 3 is sandwiched between the boss and red 5. This takes a huge amount of coordination, trust and skill and execution. Drawing a snake-like line through the sky, this is the serpent roll. There's no break for the pilots. They're going to move forward into a line abreast position that we call Tango. They're going to pull up alongside the... If you keep looking straight ahead, you'll see another iconic Red Arrows display moment. Synchro needs support. As it's only my third show commentating, I'm personally going to dedicate this to my wife for the son who are here today and for all their love and support they've given me. As Red 4 completes the spear, this one's probably the link for the camera, so sit back, relax, and watch. Let's cooperate. To the left-hand side, we've got Synchro accelerating up to 460 miles an hour. They're going to intercept Reds 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 who are running in over the oak tree for Goose. You can see Reds 6 and 7 diving down to rejoin with the other jets as they depart and turn off. The team are going to loop in front of us and then depart over our heads. Accelerate down towards us, please put your hands together and make some noise for the 2026 Red Arrows.